that I am one. I cannot do everything, but I can do something.
Good things can still happen even in the midst of chaos. What you think you become, what you feel you attract, what you imagine you create.
If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere.
The beauty of the trees, the softness of the air, the fragrance of the grass speak to me. The faintness of the stars, the freshness of the morning, the dewdrop on the flower speak to me and my heart soars. Hey, are you getting a sprinkling?
Kia ora, ko mana tuka ingoa. Welcome to our GTV assembly.
Kia ora, ko Neve tuka ingoa. Please stand quietly for the karakia and then stay standing for our national anthem.
Manawa mai te mauri nuku, manawa mai te mauri rangi. Ko te mauri kaiau, he mauri tipua, ka pakaru mai te po, tau mai te mauri, homie, huie, taikia.
Morena, everybody! Well, today, Library Bearers asked for a very special thing. This week, rooms 3 and 4 hung out together one day because one of their lovely teachers was away. And the other teacher said, can I bring growth classes to the library? And I had a little mini heart attack because I was like, that's a lot of children. But I said, no, let's do it. They were awesome. So this is for rooms 3 and 4. Thank you for being such great library people. Fist bump, fist bump.
Okay, morena everybody. As you can see, it's not Mr. Shadbolt this week. Unfortunately, he's not here this morning, so you've got me instead. He did leave me a couple messages, though, that he wanted me to read out to all of you. So he just wanted to acknowledge that this week seems to have flown by, and he hopes that you all had a fun 4 days. He knows 2 classes that definitely did, as he went to visit them this week. So room 47, he said to me that you guys had great teamwork and sharing of ideas, so well done room 47. In room 27, there was lots of laughing at the videos Mrs. Peters showed, followed by collaborative ideas and then focused independent working. So well done to both of those rooms. Okay, I also have the privilege of doing our Stars of the Week. Are you going to come help me out?
Yes.
Awesome, thank you so much. So the first Star of the Week goes to Aloysius from room 35, Ishal from room 15, Buffett from room 47. Now this week from room 20 is Siam, and last week unfortunately their certificate got stuck to another one, so thank you for being so awesome, Riley from last week. You are a star. Sebi from room 19, Logan from room 25, Amelia from room 7, Tina from room 6, Charlotte from room 48, Cara from room 30, Gracie from room 37, Katalea from room 40, Harry from room 22, Mimi from room 38, Phoebe from room 39, Emily from room 3, Finn from room 33, Eva from room 45, Amelia from room 4, Amelia from room 1, Yashna from room 27, Sophia from room 47, Erica from room 49, Claire from room 23, Henry from room 26, Leo from room 32, Alvaro from room 49, James from room 43, Theo from room 14, Awatia from room 44, Frankie from room 46, Frankie from room 36, and Jaden from room 43. Give all of those stars a big pucky pucky. Well done. Awesome, so I'll pass it over to Mrs. Donnelly, who's going to tell us who Tether 2 he's going to.
Good morning, Gladstone. This week I actually had 2 classes that were just neck and neck. So close, I couldn't figure it out. So this morning I just popped up to room 37 to see how they were singing this morning. And of course, they brought their A game. They always sing with their bravest voices. So I decided, Ted Tui, you're going to spend the week with room 37. Well done, you guys. All right, I think Mr. Lang is here with Sporty and Spike.
Morning, Gladstone.
Good morning, Gladstone. Can't be a motto. Jolly good, jolly good. Good morning, Gladstone. Hey, Mr. Lang, we decided to flag the jokes this week and just do some interesting facts.
Oh, nice. I like your facts.
You keen?
They're better than the jokes.
Right, well, here's my first interesting fact. Did you know, Mr. Lang?
Yeah.
Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than all of the grains of sand on all of the beaches of the world?
See, I want to know who counted them to really know if that's right or not.
I'll be keen. I'll be keen to do that.
All right then.
On a little project for the school holidays.
For the rest of your life? Yeah.
Oh, what do you mean? Is it? Oh.
There's a lot of them.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. I've got one too. Did you know that if you gathered up 1 million ants,
yeah,
and if you gathered up 1 million ants and put them in a bag, and then you gathered up another 1 million ants and put them in another bag, and you kept doing that until you had enough bags of ants for all the people in the world
Yeah.
there'd still be some ants left over.
Wow.
Yep.
That's a lot.
Absolutely. Final one. Baby panda bears. You know panda bears?
I love pandas, yeah.
They're quite big, eh?
Pretty
They're
big.
biggish.
Yeah.
Well, baby panda bears are smaller than a mouse.
What?
Yeah. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, not yeah.
Anyway, I better get on with the show. This week I'm going to a class who showed a great deal of maturity when learning about the male and female bodies. And that's room number 48. Ho, 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 ho! Well done, room 48. I myself am going to a class who had some fantastic ideas during health. I have no more specific information than that, unfortunately. And there's room number 35. Oi, oi!
Well done.
Well done, 35.
Hi Gladstone, I'm Daisy.
And I'm Ariana.
And we are part of the peer mentor team. Another awesome week in the playgrounds, Gladstone.
Well done. Keep being the kind and caring kids you are.
Special shout outs this week for great playground behaviour must go to
Eugene from room 1 for helping a hurt kid by taking him to the office.
Florence, room 4 for using amazing manners towards students and teachers.
Tyler from room 38 for helping the girl across the monkey bars.
And Lexi from room 3 for sitting beautifully at lunch eating.
Thank you for all the kindness in the playground.
Who will Kind Koala go to this week?
And Kind Koala goes to Mila from room 38. Congratulations.
Please collect your book and Kind Koala at Mrs. Slade's room after live assembly.
Wishing you all a wonderful and relaxing weekend. Remember to stay safe and stay kind.
Okay guys, it is time for the Classroom Environment Award again. I'll be honest, the class that I'm giving it to this week, I could have given it to them last week and the week before and the week before that and the week before that, because their class is always absolutely spectacular, and they're probably thinking, why have we not had it yet? Well, I was just waiting for a week for when it was like over the top, nice, tidy, even with the wet weather that we've been having. You guys have just kept your environment so beautiful, and that is going to Miss Parmenta's room, room 43. Well done, guys. Right, house captains, over you come.
Being Awesome Award for being responsible goes to Liam in room 38.
Being Awesome Award for being inclusive goes to Amy, room 24.
Being Awesome Award for being responsible goes to Maya Martin, room 47.
Being Awesome Award for being responsible goes to Charlie Summerfield from room 46.
Being Awesome Award for being respectful goes to Hugo, room 32.
Being Awesome Award for being responsible goes to Selena, room 30, and Will, room 25.
Okay, the most exciting part of the assembly that I know you've all been waiting for, it is who has won the house point competition for this week. So, straight into it, and fourth place is Kofai. In third place, Cody. Okay, drum roll. So the winner for this week in first place goes to Rimu. Well done. Right, Rimu, up you come.
Stand up, Rimu! 1, 2, 3, ah! For Rimu! Ah! I am you, we are Rimu! Ah! For Rimu! Ah! I am you, we are Rimu! We are strong, we stand tall, we are gonna rock you all! Ah! For Rimu! Ah! I am you, we are Rimu! Ah! For Rimu! Ah! I am you, we are Rimu!
Right, fantastic. Well done, Rimu. So that is the end of the assembly for this week. Have a really safe and fun weekend. And can you please stand for our closing karakia?
Ka pā ki toa, ka pā ki waho, ka pā ki te whare, ka pā ki te rua, ka pā ki te pou e tū nei, kia mā te ariki, kia mā te tauira, no hau e rua tau, e tainei te wairoa e whano, whana, hana mai te tuki, homi e hui e taiki e.